Okay? So you can complete stuff. So that it's just that, new, now, present, in this moment, a person, an object, a thought, whatever, an emotion, situation. You see that the tendency, like say you're going to complete a situation, something going down, something happening, and you have reaction to it, meaning, emotion, survival stuff, agenda stuff, related to this situation. You can see the challenge that would come up trying to complete it, yeah? It's like, yeah, but I wouldn't, see, taking the meaning, the history, your agenda out of the picture, and it's just this situation. It's difficult, isn't it? See? On the other hand, you say, but I couldn't survive. That's not true. You can survive. As a matter of fact, you probably survive better, you see? But your agenda wouldn't. Your reactions wouldn't. Your agenda, all the stuff you're trying to, socially, emotionally, mentally, whatever, physically trying to get met, wouldn't survive necessarily, you see? But it's like, if you're a really good warrior, there's a situation, a martial situation, that's what you want to do. You just get the situation and relate to it the way you need to relate to it, because it's, your job and you're going to survive. This is still in that domain, but you're not adding anything: history, meaning, fears, agendas, offense, all the other kinds of crap, future, past. It's just this moment of this moment of happening. And you see the difference? But now if you saw the situation / opponent for themselves, then you'd be fucked, because they'd take you out. You wouldn't do anything about it, because it didn't mean anything to you. So completion gives you that functional aspect, but nothing else, you see. It's just clean. No reactivity. No fear.
Thanks for watching. Taste Ralston's wisdom for yourself. Ralston didn't obtain his wisdom by watching videos. Join him in doing this work. Please check the links in the description.